Are you on the lookout for the ideal student accommodation in the heart of New York? Look no further as 319 West 30th Street. Nestled in the capital hub of culture, art, and entertainment, this home offers a diverse selection of micro-flat loft apartments, each of which boasts of a private room furnished with a closet, an AC, and a sofa, complete with a private kitchen and a shared bathroom. But wait, there's more. Wi-Fi, water, and electricity bills are all included, making the stay super easy on your pocket. Additionally, the Fashion Institute of Technology is just a short stroll away, with Baruch College being a short ride away, ensuring you're never late for lectures. And when you crave good food, there are various delectable dining options and lounges in the neighborhood such as NY Pizza Suprema, Birch Coffee, and Maggie Riley's. Plus, grocery shopping is going to be the least of your worries as 9th Avenue Grocery is just an arm's length. So, what's holding you back? Head over at amberstudent.com right away to book your home away from home in the heart of the Big Apple.